Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you fix messenger no video call option, right? So if you just want to fix this issue, make sure you watch the video till the end. So first of all, you have to just go into the Play Store. Once you go into the Play Store, search here messenger, and once you search here messengers, just hit the enter. Then guys, you have to update it. If you're getting this option of update, then update your messenger right now. Once the update is done, do one thing. You have to just go to the settings of your phone, right? So for example, I will just go to the settings now, and here you have to search apps, and you have to go into the app management, right? So once I click on the app management, and once you are here in the app management, make sure you search the messenger app here, right? Once you search the messenger, and here you have to just click on the storage usage and clear the cache, and then you have to clear the data. Once you clear the data, if you open the messenger here, right, let me just open it. Right, once you open the messenger, you have to re-log in into it, and then when I will just try to do a video call to any person, for example this person, and I just want to do a video call, right, I will easily able to do a video call. So this is very easy. I hope you found this video really useful.